terrible, miserable, no good, very bad days. Check out the water. So we all have them, and we all have days where we just want to go back to bed. Welcome to Central Florida, everybody. Welcome to Florida. So what do you do on a disgusting, nasty, miserable, depressing, down and out day like that? Well, one of the best lessons I ever learned was that you take advantage of every situation. Take advantage of every situation. I don't mean being a bad person. I mean, take advantage of the fact that I can't go out and do what I normally would and film outside. I could certainly go sourcing. Today's not my normal sourcing day, it's Monday, but there are gonna be days. There's gonna be days where you wanna get back in bed. Gonna be days where you don't feel like working. Gonna be days where something dark and rainy and gloomy is going on, maybe not just outside, but in your life also. And you have to make the most of those days. You have to take advantage of every situation. It's kind of my lesson for today is that even though nobody here in Florida, for those of you in southern sunny California, this doesn't apply to you, and those of you in Vegas, but for those of you having gloomy days, and maybe you live here in Florida where I live, take advantage of it. What did I do today? I updated all my QuickBooks, my accounting, my bookkeeping. I went through some calls I needed to make to a website that I'm trying to do some stuff on that I didn't understand. So I called them. I sat on hold for 30 minutes because I'm just sitting here at the house. I got done a list of things that I otherwise put off because I'm always out and about and doing things that I'm kind of stuck in the house, and I wanted to check off the list. It'll make you feel better that you accomplished things. It will get them off your list, which gives you less to do, that you can work on other things. And it also will make you feel better about not wasting the day, because the worst thing you want to do is lay in bed and not do anything just because it's raining outside, or because you're having a bad day, or because your girlfriend broke up with you, or your mom's mad at you, or your brother's mad at you, or your family's mad at you, or whatever. You've got to take advantage of every situation, every day. And it's one part of being an entrepreneur and a business owner is that you can't let anything get in your way, because on Friday, there's no paycheck. Nobody's writing a paycheck and signing it and giving you a paycheck. You've got to make the paycheck, which means you have to work every single day. And part of my new podcast that's going to be coming to Anchor, to iTunes, to Android and Spotify is going to be about the rules and the procedures and the discipline about being a business owner and an entrepreneur. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. If you haven't already joined the website email list for the updates on the podcast and all my other things that are going on, down below in the description box is a link to my new website. You can check out the website. It's not finished yet, bear with me, but it is there where you can sign up with your email and you'll get updates when the podcasts go live, when new videos go up and all that kind of thing. So I appreciate it if you would do that, and we'll get you approved and get you on the email list right away. So take advantage of your day, guys, no matter what's going on, no matter what kind of bumps and bruises and obstacles you're facing today. Take advantage of it. If it's raining, get some other stuff done. If it's raining in on your personal life, ignore that stuff, get your work done, and go fix that later today, tomorrow, tonight. I appreciate you guys watching. Make the most of every day. That's what I have to say to you guys today on a gloomy, dark, disgusting Monday. Thanks, everyone. I'll see you next time.